This tool allows you to do visibility control of any stick frame in the drawing. You can isolate, hide, or show stick frames' vertical column grids, including structural members and piping components. This helps you with large models to manipulate easily. Select column grids, then apply isolate, hide, or show to them. You can do that just for the stick frame elements or include any structural members or piping components. At any time, you can show all entities of the drawing again. There are many other visibility options to apply. Thanks for watching.